Okay, sir.
Hello Priyanshi, how are you?
Sir, I'm awesome. What about you?
I'm cool. If you are awesome, then I'm cool. Okay, Priyanshi, please tell me something about you.
First of all, thank you for introducing myself to everyone. Good evening, everyone. My name is Priyanshi Sharma. I study class 8. My father name is Mr. Manoj Sharma. My mother name is Mrs. Shanju Sharma. I am 12 years old, and I'm from Sikandra Rao. And my hobbies are doing dance. And thank you, sir.
Okay, Priyanshi, as you told me that you like dancing, so what type of dance do you like?
Sir, I like classical
Like
dance.
classical dance. Do you learn dancing or you do practice at your home on your own?
Sir, I do practice at my home.
Okay, there's no one who can teach you dancing.
No, sir.
Okay. So Priyanshi, let me know something about your city. First of all, tell me Sikandra Rao is a city, village or town? What is that?
Sir, this is the town.
It's the town of UP.
Yes, sir, town of UP.
Okay. What is special there?
So, nothing is special, but yes, there is a Sai Mandir, and people believe that if everyone go there, uh, all the all the wishes fulfills. That's why
Okay.
many of people go there.
Okay. It means you must have gone there.
Yes, sir, I have
So
gone.
which of your wishes has been fulfilled?
So first of all, I want to, in pandemic time, I wanted to my DD's admission is done in Gwalior. So this wish is fulfilled. And second one, my mother's job is done, and this is also fulfilled. So that's why I'm believing in that temple.
Okay. So basically you mean to say we should not be doing anything, we should just go to temple and wish whatever we want and it will be completed, will be
Yes,
fulfilled,
sir.
and we should not do anything. Means you do
Yes.
not believe in hard work. You do not believe in
No,
working.
no, sir, that's not true. It's just a belief. If there is hope, there is will. That's why I do only hope. I'll do hard work, and my mom is also do hard work. It's just a hope.
Okay. So I think whatever you have achieved or your mother has achieved, the what is behind that? I think hard work is behind that, not a wish. If wish is behind
Yes,
that, then
sir.
everybody, all the people
No,
of country will go there to that temple and they will start wishing, and whatever they want, they'll get it easily.
yes,
No need to work hard then.
yes, sir. But yes, sir. My mother and they do hard work, but all the people's gone there. So I think that I also gone there. I also want to go there, and I just wish, and this is fulfilled. That's why.
Okay, all right. Tell me, are you interested in playing? You are interested in sports, games, and all?
No, sir. I'm not interested in sports.
You're not interested
I'm
in sports.
interested in.
Okay, so it means you might be interested in studying.
Yes, sir. I am interested in studying, and I'm also interested in playing indoor games like Ludo and all these games.
Okay. So, if you're interested in studying, then let me know what do you study? What do you like to study?
Sir, I like to study science.
Like to study science. Good. In science, which
Yes.
of the section you like the most? You like physics, chemistry or biology? What do you like?
Sir, actually, still I don't have any subject like biology, physics. I have only a science book.
Okay, you have
And
got a
in
book of
science, I like
science.
force, push, and pull chapter. Yes.
Okay. What class are you in?
Sir, I'm in 8th class.
You are in class 8th, but your age is 12. How come it is possible? You should be in
Sir,
class 7th.
actually, yes, sir. I'll tell you. Actually, my height is too big. That and my relatives, my friends, all saying to me that you are too big. You are, and I gone. I go everywhere. I go with my relatives, and all say to me, "Oh, you are in 10th class." So I said, "No, I'm in 6th class." So they feel so strange. So my mother says that you will jump your class, and your maths is done, your science is also done, and this is main subject. And in pandemic time, I'll take online class, and I jumped my 7th class, and I corrected my Aadhaar card.
That means you are saying height matters somewhere.
Yes, sir.
Okay, people were criticizing you, or they were means they were almost insulting you that you are very tall and you should be in class 10th or something like that, but
Yes,
you
sir.
were in class 6th. So that is why you
Many
skipped
people
your
say,
class and you spoiled your 1 year. 1 year education is quite required, you know. If you leave one class, if
no,
you skip
sir.
one class, then you are leaving entire syllabus of that class. So don't you feel so you're playing with your
No,
study?
sir,
You are
I don't think. No, sir, I don't think, because I study very well, very well in lockdown. I study night and day, and I will cover. I have covered my 8th and 7th class both.
okay. Do you take tuitions or you just study in schools at home only, or you take tuitions also?
No, sir, I have taken online tuitions.
You're taking online tuitions. Okay, great. But the
Yes.
step which you have taken, I don't think so. It is good because right now you are keeping the foundation. Okay, and after some years, you will go in college. You will go for higher studies, and there you need basic things. If your basic is not okay, then you will face a lot of problem in future. So I think so you should focus properly on your syllabus on every class. You should not think that what people are thinking about you. You should not take care of those things. Okay, you know about Rajpal Yadav and Sachin Tendulkar? You know about them?
Sir, I don't know,
You
because
don't know
I'm
about
not
Sachin
interested in.
Tendulkar? He's a god of
Yes,
cricket. Everybody knows about him.
yes,
You don't know
yes, sir.
Rajpal
I
Yadav? He's
know.
very he's comedian. He's very humorous person.
Sir, I don't know.
You don't know about him. Okay. Actually, they are very short heighted. Even then, they are very famous. You know about Kailash Kher, who sang a song Teri Deewani? You know about him? Bagad Bam
Sir, I
Babam.
don't know.
You don't know about. Okay, he's very
No,
short
sir.
heighted. Just because of height, you are. And if people say that Priyanshi, you are very thin, you're very slim, then what would you do for this? Because as I can see, you are very slim. You don't have much weight. Then what will you do? Will you inflate yourself with air? Will you become football? Or what will you do in that
No,
condition?
sir.
So I think we should do
Sir,
those things
actually,
which
I
are
have.
required for us, not for we should not go according to others.
Yes.
You have listened to song. There was a song, uh, लोगों का काम है कहना, कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे, लोगों का काम है कहना. It's like that. So I think we should focus on our grooming. We should not be focusing on the things which are being said by others. Right? Okay. All right. There's no issue. Now tell me something about your family. What's your father? What's your mother? You told that my mother is a service woman. So where does she work?
Sir, she works in Sikandarao. My mother works in Sikandarao. My didi doing MBA now, and my grandmother do nothing. And so that's all my family.
Okay, no, tell me about your mother. In which department does she work? Is she in private job or government job? What job is she in?
So, so she's a government teacher in junior school.
Okay, she is a government teacher in junior school. Okay, and what about your sister?
So she's doing MBA from Gwalior. Before MBA, she have done BBA from Aligarh, and
Okay, I think Priyanshi, you are getting network issues. I'm not able to hear you properly. Now she is missing from here. I can see Aditya on my screen. Priyanshi, you are getting network issues. I think the weather is not good there.
it's
Uh, before few days, I asked you to get Wi-Fi installed at your home, but you didn't do that. Priyanshi, don't get angry, okay? What can happen if you are so much angry, you will throw your phone, you'll throw your laptop. So don't get so much angry. Let the network create the problem. Problems are always there with us. Now I can see you. Now I
Am
can see
I
you.
okay? Okay,
Now I can see
okay,
you.
done, sir.
Okay,
Yeah, Papa.
tell me something about your future plan. What do you want to be? What's your aim?
Sir, my aim is to become a doctor now.
Aim is to become doctor. But earlier you told me in during the class you told me
Yes, sir.
you want to become IAS.
Yes, sir.
You
I
change your
know.
plan. How often will you change your plan?
Yes, sir. Sir, in a previous time, my chachu has come in my house and he says to me, he says me the history of IS. So, and after listening this, after listening all the story, how can they became, how after becoming, what can they do? So I'm so afraid of that and afraid and sir, and my chachu and my mama don't want me to become a IS. That's why now I want to become a doctor.
Okay, so it's not your wish, it's your family member's wish.
No, sir, it's my wish
It's
now.
your wish.
After
Okay. Are you sure that after a few years you'll not be changing your plan? You'll have a same aim?
no, sir, I will not change. Now
Okay.
I'm sure.
In which would you like to be specialist? You'd like to be doctor of teeth, bones, physiotherapist, or what would you like to be? Heart surgeon.
Sir, I sir dentist.
You'd like to
BAMS
be.
after doing BAMS.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
You would like to be. You would like to do BAMS. Do you know the full form of BAMS?
No, sir, I don't know.
You don't know. Okay. You have just planned that I would be doctor. So you haven't studied anything
Yes,
about
sir.
this. Okay, no issue. Tell me about
So,
your achievements.
I have done sixth class actually, and I'm doing eighth class. And in sixth class, I have won a spoon race, lemon spoon race competition. And there is one more competition, Sir GK Cushion Quiz. In that, I also won that competition. And in fact, and sir, uh, in from my childhood, I'm a topper of my class.
Okay, that's great. Fantastic. And congratulations that you won so many things, so many competitions. Great.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, Priyanshi, let me know something about your hobbies. Hobby, as you told, it is dancing only. You like only dancing, or you
Yes.
like some other things also?
Sir, I want to do create some creativity, like I want to make some new things, but I can't do. Sometimes I can't help it.
Okay, you want to create something. What do you want to create? Have you ever thought that I would be creating this thing which is not usual?
Yes, sir. I want to, sir, if my teacher gives me one craft, I'll make some more creative things in one craft. In the one craft.
Okay, that's great. So, Priyanshi, you belong to Sikandrao, or you are from somewhere else?
No, sir, I belong to Sikandra Rao.
You belong to Sikandrao. You are studying in convent school. Now again, she has lost network.
So what?
You are studying in convent school. You are in English medium school.
Sir, am I audible?
Yes, you are audible, but I think you are not getting my voice. I am asking you, uh, are you from English medium school?
Sir, I'm in English medium school.
Okay, okay, okay. Okay, Priyanshi, I think we should finish it up because you are getting some network issues and time is also going to be over. So let's end it. We have got a lot of information about you, and it was
Okay,
nice
sir.
talking with you. Okay, let's end it.
Thank
Bye
you,
bye.
sir. Bye.